Welcome to our channel, where we explore the timeless stories of the Bible. Today, we're going to dive into the beautiful story of Ruth, a woman who defied cultural norms and found love, acceptance, and redemption in the most unexpected way. Let's join her journey and discover the valuable lessons we can learn from her story. 1. Introduction to Ruth. The story of Ruth takes place in the time of the Judges, around 1150 BC. It's a period of great turmoil and instability in Israel. Our story begins in the land of Moab, where a Hebrew family, including Naomi, her husband Elimelech, and their two sons, Mahlon and Chilion, have settled due to a severe famine in Israel. Here you see Elimelech, Naomi and their three sons. Tragedy struck when Elimelech dies, leaving Naomi a widow. Her sons married Moabite women, Ruth and Orpah. But soon after, they also pass away, leaving Naomi with no male heirs to support her. What a tragedy! 2. Ruth's loyalty and commitment. When Naomi decides to return to Israel, she urges her daughters-in-law to stay in Moab and remarry. But Ruth refuses to leave Naomi's side, declaring her famous words, "Where you go, I will go. Where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God, my God." Ruth's loyalty and commitment to Naomi are a testament to the power of true friendship and love. She leaves behind her own culture, family, and comfort to care for her mother-in-law, even when it means facing uncertainty and hardship in a foreign land. 3. Ruth meets Boaz. In Israel, Ruth meets Boaz, a wealthy and kind relative of Naomi's late husband. Boaz was impressed by Ruth's dedication to Naomi and takes notice of her hard work in the fields. As they spend more time together, Ruth and Boaz develop a deep affection for each other. Eventually, Boaz becomes Ruth's kinsman redeemer, marrying her. Boaz took good care of Ruth and Naomi. You can see Boaz and Ruth bringing presents to Naomi. Ruth gave birth to a baby boy, named Obed. Naomi was very happy and became the nurse to Obed. Obed grew up and became a renowned man. Obed gave birth to Jesse. Jesse gave birth to King David and other children. The story of Ruth and Boaz is a beautiful example of God's providence and redemption. Despite the obstacles and challenges they faced, God weaves their lives together in a way that brings joy, hope, and new life to all involved. Conclusion and takeaways. So, what can we learn from the story of Ruth? First, we see the importance of loyalty, commitment, and perseverance in the face of adversity. Ruth's love and devotion to Naomi inspire us to prioritize our relationships and care for one another, even when it's difficult. Second, we're reminded that our stories are not isolated, but connected to a larger narrative of God's redemption and love. Ruth, a Moabite woman, becomes part of the family of King David and an ancestor of Jesus, demonstrating that God's love knows no boundaries of culture, ethnicity, or social status. Finally, the story of Ruth encourages us to trust in God's sovereignty and provision, even when our circumstances seem uncertain or bleak. Ruth's journey from widowhood to marriage, from poverty to prosperity, shows us that God can turn our darkness into light and our mourning into joy. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the story of Ruth. May her courage, loyalty, and faith inspire us to trust in God's goodness and love, no matter what challenges we face. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories, devotionals, and biblical insights.